Alright, so in this video I'll be giving you a brief introduction into tuples, and here I'm using the Spider IDE, which is basically the same thing as what I've used in my previous videos, but just a IDE so that I can use different packages and so on, and you can search up what packages do in Python. But anyhow, just to give a brief introduction to tuples, basically a tuple is a data set that allows you to have one or more objects or values in that data set. Just to go quickly into it, for example, if we write down our first tuple, or name it as tuple 1, we can set that equals to 1 and 2. This means that the tuple has the values 1 and 2. So if you print tup1 and you run, then it prints 1 and 2. And as I've mentioned before, it's 1 and 2 here basically resemble two different values. So you can set this into x and y. And if you do that and you set that equals to tup1, you can do this. So print the first element or value in tup1 is, referring to x. And then you can do this, print the first element or value in tup1 is, should be second element. Second element in tup1 is y. And if you do this and you run it, you get this. The first element or value in tup1 is 1, and the second element or value in tup1 is 2. And this is because in here, x, we've set x, y equals to tup1, where x refers to the 1 here, and y refers to the 2 here. So again, x and y, or 1 and 2, they resemble two different values or objects. And this doesn't have to be numbers. You can make this a name, right? John, here, John, you can put here, Doe. So we can change it to the first name of the individual is, and then the second name of the individual is, and here, so the first name of the individual is John, second name of the individual is Doe. So that's how you can use tuples. And just another feature of tuples also is that you can add them together. So let's say you have tup2, which equals to 1, 2, and you have tup3, which equals to 3 and 4. Then you can make tup4 equals to tup2 plus tup3. If you print that, tup4, you get this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can add all these tuples together. And this will probably be useful when you start going to the more scientific part and more mathematical part of Python. But for now, this is just an introduction to it. So thank you.